Hello and welcome. Today we are going to do a oil change and filter change on a BMW 320D 2012 model. This is what I'm going to use. This is a Castrol Edge and this is the filter for this model. So just watch the video, have fun. So right now we're under the car and we're going to find the oil drain plug, and it's not this one. I repeat, it's not this one. So it's under this little lid here. I'm just going to take it off. So there it goes. That's the oil pouring. Just be sure to change the ring that comes with the oil, so we get a new fresh ring. And this is the oil just pouring nicely out. And remember, it's not this bolt right here, that one under the lid. This is the filter. It's what BMW recommends. It's P7123, and this is the gasket and the ring you're going to change with the oil filter. And that filter is right there. I'm just going to show it after this. You need to be sure to use Castrol Edge oil, what BMW recommends. So that's it. I've taken out the filter and it's sitting right here. You just pull that filter out and put the new one in. You're going to change these rubber gaskets around here. So it's sitting right here. So if you just change that with the one you get with the oil filters, you have a new one. Okay, I changed it. So this is what the new one looks like. It fits right in. And I changed this rubber thingy right here. So I'm just going to put that back in there, and then we're ready to pour some oil in. So you can have some sort of protection for the engine when you take this out, because it can drip. So just be sure to cover it up. So I'm just going to take this one and fit that right in there. You don't want to over tighten this one, just snug it right in. So the filter is in, and now we're going to pour some oil. Now I am going to use what BMW recommends. It's Castrol Edge F30. You can use other oils too that BMW recommends, but this is the one I choose. So we're just going to put it in that little hole right there. Yeah, so now we're done. We filled it up with new oil filter, and we're just going to start it up and reset the oil warning lamp. So see you in a bit. Yeah, so now we're going to start the car up. As you can see, I have an oil change and in 170 Swedish miles, 1700 kilometers. So I'm going to take that off. I'm just going to reset the service for the oil. So I'm going to hold this button in until you get, that one, and then you come in here. That's the oil change. Now I'm going to press this button on the lever here. That's BC, and it says reset. Hold that in and it's reset. Just gonna see that the clock is out. I'm gonna go out the menu. Now it's oil change in 3000 Swedish miles. It's 30,000 kilometers. So that's the reset for the oil change. So hope it makes things clearer for you when you're going to change the oil on your BMW 320D 2012 model. Thank you.